Hello, welcome to CAPSIM Foundation 2024-2025. This video for CAPSIM Foundation top 10 winning tips to win all rounds to get the top result. The details guaranteed for round 1 and round 2. I show you the detail now. So when you log in the CAPSIM Foundation, you will see the product here. In the first round, we have added one product, and now in the second round, we added another product in the low-tech segment I show you. Before you start, you should check the industry condition report. Before you start setting decision for any round, always check industry condition report. So you see industry condition report here, and then we have two products. We are sensor manufacturers, right? And we have two products, low-tech and high-tech. This version of CAPSIM is quite simple. We have two segments, not 5 as the other CAPSIM, Capstone. So CAPSIM Foundation, two segments only. Each round we need to update the product by increase performance here and reduce the size, right? Increase performance and resize. And now we have table 2 for 8 rounds. So we have R&D for 8 products, low-tech here and high-tech here, right? Performance and size for 8 rounds. But remember, do not copy this number and paste into the game, because you need to update the product one time more using the table 3. Move the product to the ideal spot. You can calculate that by hand for each round, or manually each round, or you can use the download and use the free Excel file here to use that. I have calculated for 8 rounds here at the ideal spot. This is table 2, this is table 3 combined together, table 2 and table 3, so you can have that. And also in the industry condition report, you see the growth of each segment. Low-tech 10%, high-tech 20%, and you see the price important for low-tech but price not important for high-tech, right? So you can set different strategy for that. And now we have set update the product. You can check the Excel file if you want, right? You can check it with the Excel file if you want here. So we update the low-tech and we developed one high-tech product last round, and this round we added one new more low-tech to double the sale and double the profit. That's R&D. And for the marketing decision, we can set the price. I show you the detail now. We check the industry condition report also, and now we check the low-tech and high-tech segment, page 5 and page 4, right? So for the low-tech, you see the price important 41%, and the best selling price is 35. So we can just here, right? We can just reduce the price by 50 cents. And for the high-tech, you see the price range only 25 to 45, and the price only 25% of buying decision. So we can set the top price, not this one. We can set close to 45, so we set 44.5, and this can sell in the half year. The new product and the old product we set 2000, the most optimal. And now we calculate the sale forecast here, right? We know that we can calculate that based on the unit we sold from last round. We check this part and we see the production page 4 here. We are team B, right? We sell everything last round and no inventory, you see. So we can produce a max. We can also check the production capacities here, right? We have max 800 and 400, so max we can produce 1006 and 400 because we have no inventory. This is the max we can produce later round, so we can use Excel file to calculate more precise. But now we just know that this is the max we can produce 1006 and 400, not 1008 and 100, and then we put in, right, 1600 and 400 for production. And now we set for the finance. We in the first early round we use all the stock issue, right? Max stock issues, pay some very small dividends, and also borrow the max current debt and issue the max long-term debt. You have save amount of cash here, 22 million, right? To save that to avoid emergency launch. I saw it. If you don't have enough cash, we will have emergency loan here, right? But we have very high sales, also top sales. Last round, good profit. Next round, we can get top 7 top profits. After that, we check the pro forma income. So in round 2, we will have very high sales also and good contribution margin here. And we are still investing a lot in promotion and sale to start selling well. So we spent 6,000, and now we have some good profit, but it is okay. Okay, so I just show you the details for round 1 and round 2. Decision for round 1 and round 2 of CAPSIM Foundation. If you follow the right strategy, you can get very good sale and profit like this, going up from round 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So investment in round 1, 2, 3 very important. Investment very important, right? Remember that we can always apply the top 10 winning tips. We use the industry condition report I show you also, right? And use the free sell file to calculate and the update and the add new product in round 1, 2, and 3. This is very important, right? And set the prices also, calculate the sale forecast I just show you, right? Calculate the sale forecast, very important. And calculate the production and add new capacity, right? Add new capacity to win. So this is very important, right? Add new capacity to win. Add new capacity for product, increase automation, we did that, and use 2 or 3 sources of funds in round 1, 2, and 3. If you have any question, you can send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.